In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to change your lobby character in Mobile Legends. So, if you want to customize the hero that appears on your home screen, just follow these simple steps. First, open the Mobile Legends game on your device and wait for it to load completely. Once you are in the main screen, click here. Now, tap on the Season Info option. From here, click on Timeless Captures. Now, simply select the hero you want to set as your new lobby character and tap on it. After that, click on the Choose option. If you see Currently Unavailable, instead of the Choose button, simply download the character like I am doing here. Once the download is complete, the Choose option will appear. Just tap on it to set the character successfully. And that's it. As you can see, the lobby character has been changed successfully. You can repeat the same steps anytime if you want to use a different hero in your lobby. So that's how you can change your lobby character in Mobile Legends. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe the channel. Also comment below if you have any questions. Thank you.